hotel. It's by the river. Saan ka nag-river daw mo kita? And this is the hotel. Pwede mo punta ka kita sa river kasi sa second floor. And that is the reception. And now we're going to check our room. And we're going to the second floor.
Wi-Fi.
Smile, Doy! Doy, smile! Smile, sweetheart! Ang galing. Wala tayong view siguro because it's just on
Ang sarap na nasa lid, no?
239. All the way.
all the way to the top. 2, 3, 9.
Scaffolding. Yung view mo. Scaffolding yung view mo binigay sa'yo.
Eh, lahat naman may scaffolding. Let's check the room. 2,
Hihilang ako, Doy.
3, 9.
Dapat may ano,
Card. Oh my
Sabi
gosh!
sa'yo, scaffolding.
There's like a space over here. I don't know what's this for. Or you can put your luggages here or hang your stuff here.
Oo nga, scaffolding nga.
And this is the bathroom. The bathroom. Oh, they have the rain shower. And they have the fridge. What else? Oh, we got 3 separate beds. 3 jod separate beds. And let's check they have the TV here. And let's check the view. Wow! Where's the river? Mong atbang sa river.
River, bito na barko na.
Asa? Ay, oh! Ah! Yeah, it's by the river. Yeah, I booked this hotel because it says it's by the river. So we just have to walk going straight to the Cologne Cathedral. I read as Cologne, but it's spelled here as K-O-L-N. K-O-L-N, do you know?
O German spelling.
Yeah, German spelling is K-O-L-N. So they are renovating the hotel. So 360 of the hotel is with scaffoldings. And you can see the river over there. And by the street.
Jericho, malaki yun. Hindi nga.
And we are now here in Cologne, Germany. And now we're going to do our own tour. Have a DIY walking tour here. And of course, our first stop would be the... What's our first stop nato, Doy?
Cologne Cathedral.
Cologne Cathedral. That would be our first stop, the Cologne Cathedral. It is the biggest in Europe. Hindi. But it's big, right?
One of the biggest.
One of the biggest in Europe. And we'll just walk going there from the hotel.
Ito, Doy, ganyan, no? Bili mo.
About how many minutes of walking, Doy?
20.
20 minutes. So it's 20 minutes and it's like in the late afternoon already, so it's not that hot anymore. And there's a castle over there. Is that the castle, Doy? Huh? Ayun ka kanuna nakaari diri nakibaw ng taka. It's just a tower.
Hindi, yung sa ano, pag na may surgery ka, automatic na yung 30%.
Parinig mo kay ate, ano.
Na?
Okay na.
And this is the fish market. It's with that's the cathedral, Doy. Doy, that's the cathedral,
Hindi,
right?
nasa likod.
Lagi, pero mo na siya lagi with the background of the fish market. The Cologne Cathedral with the fish market here, the collards. So nice. Ito si so lots of people. So that nasa Germany. There's another fountain here. And since this is not Switzerland, they're already putting it that you cannot drink the water from the fountain. maraming tao. And after 20 minutes of walking, we are finally here in the Cologne Cathedral.
Cologne.
Cologne? Cologne.
Cologne.
Cologne. It's so pretty. Look at the architectural design.
Ba't naman nagkaroon ito?
Ha?
You see?
Picture, picture.
Eh, yung harap, nandun yung harap.
Ay, di pa na siya front?
Yeah.
This is just the side of the church.
Aha.
Ang kuandoy, ang fountain, mainom?
Lagi. Butang nga, nag-drink.
Do not drink.
Humugus gyud.
Oh wow, this is so pretty. Dagko siya kayo no? Asa man ang biggest church? So then i-search mo what is the biggest church in Europe? Do i-search again what's
Vatican.
Vatican ba? Search ba, what is the biggest church in Europe? And this is just the side of the church. Isa.
Ano?
Oh,
Tallest church.
this is the tallest church in Europe. So we have just searched it. This is the tallest church in Europe. We're supposed to go all the way up there, but sorry, it's too high for me. No elevator. Pila ka steps? And this is the front of the church.
Ariolo.
لا ان شاء الله ان شاء الله باذن الله شلون ظبطت معك تحكي معي عشان
Ano nga may pila doon na bayad? Ha? May nata mo simba ta.
Check siguro.
Ha?
Check siguro.
Oh my god, this is so pretty. Thank you for bringing me here.
Kurip.
And I'm putting for the Philippines. Oh, naupat na doy.
Dapat na.
Naupat na. In front of the church. Damihan natin sweetheart kasi now we're entering the cathedral. All the carvings.
Sorry,
side of the church. Of the cathedral. The other side of the cathedral. With a lot of people sitting by the stairs. And this is the back of the cathedral. And now we're going to cross the famous bridge here.
Bridge lock there, bridge lock.
Ha? Tingnan.
Bridge lock.
Hindi ka ba Hohenzollern Bridge. And we're going to cross the Hohenzollern Bridge or the Lovelock Bridge. Ay, asa man ta makapagpa-picture nga makita ang table bridge?
Side.
Dito sa side tayo muna. Before we'll cross the bridge. This is the bridge with the Now we're going to start walking.
Gala na yung makamura, hindi makita, inigwanawek.
We're going to cross the Rhine River. That's the Rhine River. Ano na ta?
Ano na to?
Look at all the locks here. Wow. It's so hot. And there's more. I don't want to walk. And the river. With the train passing by. And now we're going to do the 360
Oh,
again.
Doy, sama ka.
Ali, doy. 360 ha. 1, 2, 3.
Asa mo dyan?
Lipat na. Saan na
So, Doy, ay diyan ka nakita ka, Doy.
Nakita na yon?
Ah.
Yung cathedral? Nice. And to end our Germany trip, we're going to have our dinner in a Japanese restaurant.
And I'm going to Japan next.
We're going to have ramen for dinner tonight.
Open mo, Doy. Open mo.
So guys, this is what we got. Ramen. I got rice and I'm waiting for my yakisoba. Smell good. And we're done. Sweetheart, we're done with
Germany.
Germany.
Ito, still-
We're leaving
Yung Amsterdam ba?
tomorrow.
Ano?
Netherlands.
Bye.
Netherlands
See
na.
ya. And we're now walking back to our hotel after ramen. And this is our hotel here in Cologne with the scaffoldings. The scaffoldings all over the building.
Kasi pag ano, pag